Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Grandpa Birch here. Got another story for you today. It is One, Two, Buckle My Shoe. That's an old one by Jane Cabrera. One, two, buckle my shoe. There's a title page. One, two, buckle my shoe. One, two, buckle my shoe. We're hiding in each page in this book. A naughty little chickens. Take a look. There's one, two, three, four little chickens, little chicks. Okay. 3, 4, out the door. She's running out the door. But it said the chickies are hiding. Oh, let's look. There's one little chickie, two little chickie, three little chickie. Oh, where's the fourth? Oh, there's the fourth right there. Four little chickies. Five, six. Do hide kicks. Oh dear. Can you still see me? Better hide behind this tree, says the chicks. Look up here. There's one little chickie. There's two little chickies. Do you see the little chickie right there? Where's the others? There's three little chickies here. And there's the fourth. Grandpa Birch is almost covering it up. Right up here. Little bitty chickie. Seven, eight. Jump over the gate. Oh, where's the little chickies now? Okay, there's one here. Two here. Do you see the little chickie? And there's three up here. And four over here in the flower. Do you see the little chickie? Nine, 10, a big fat hen. A quick cuddle from Mommy Hen. Now let's go and hide again. See, there's one, two, three, four. Four little chickies hiding in each page. Oh, 11, 12. Dig up, delve, dig up, delve. Where's the little chickies now? They're tiny. Okay, here's one. Do you see it right here? There's two, three, and where's the fourth one? Where's the fourth? Oh, I see it. Right here by the carrots, number 4. "13, 14, pigs a snoring." Snorting. Oh, not snoring. They're snorting. Oink, oink. Just a little bit longer, pet. Is our food ready yet? So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's 4 little chickies there. And the piggies are hungry. 15, 16 in the kitchen. Okay, where's the 4 little chickies? Okay, looks like there's one up here in the teapot. And the number 2 is down here in the cups. And where is number 3? Do you see her? Number 3 over here. And number 4. It's hard to see. They're tiny as can be. $17, $18, all awaiting. We're so hungry, says the pigs. Wait, what will the food be? I hope dessert just for me. Okay, the little chickies, there's 1, 2, 3. There's number 4 over here. I gotta get close to see the little chickies. They're so small. 1920. It's a party. So much fun. Giggling and glee. But where, oh, where can those little chicks be? The little chicks, they hid. I wonder if they're going to jump out of the cake. I don't know. Rabbit says, close your eyes and pop out, chicks. What a funny surprise. Bloop, 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 bloop. 1, 2, 3, 4. They all popped out of the cake. Party fun and food aplenty. Now count the balloons, 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And the last page. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 little chickies. I hope you enjoyed today's counting fun. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Okay, that's it for now. See you next time. Grandpa Birch loves you. Bye-bye.